All right, good morning, guys. You guys should have just finished with your do now. In your own words, explain why you think that Mr. Warren has assigned this lengthy project at the end of the semester, and how can this benefit you as a person. So, yes, I get it. It's over a week-long project. It's a lot of work. It's very labor-intensive. It's a lot of writing. I get it. And you know why on earth would I assign this right before we have to start getting ready for finals? So, I mean, at least for me, I'm sure you guys come up with your own answers, but the whole idea behind this is to put together everything you've learned. At the end of the day, I can give you a test. I can give you your multiple choice test, written response questions, and it can give me some insight into what you've learned this semester. But this project is essentially showing me everything that you learned, because you're taking everything we've talked about over the course of an entire semester, and now you're putting it into practice. Now you're demonstrating it to me. Now you're showing me, hey, this makes sense, and I can put it together in an organized fashion so others can read it and make sense of it. So make sure you have 4 sentences, make sure you get in the white binder, and then it's time to move on. All right, so you guys should have finished up your conclusion phase during the last lesson. And so today, you're going to start putting it all together. You're going to start compiling all the information you've recorded in this project, everything from your day 1, your sheet with your intro on it, all your research, all your data, all your conclusions from the last couple of days. And so, everything that you've written, all the information you've compiled, everything needs to be put together in one final draft. So, let me reiterate, you're not going to take all your things and staple them together. You're going to take all the information you have, and the next 2 periods, or the next 2 lessons, are going to be nothing but writing. You're going to take all your information, and you're going to put it in one final draft. So, this needs to be done in a very, yes, I get it. It's handwritten because laptops are in short supply, and especially when I'm out, that's not going to happen. So, it needs to be on lined paper. It needs to be handwritten neatly so I can at least read it. So take your time with it. Do not rush with it by any means. It needs to be in an organized manner. When I say that, I mean, okay, so my intro page, at the top of the page, I'll put the words intro. And then, after I get done with that intro, then I'll make another title at the top of the next page. It says data collection. And so then, in paragraph format, I break down the questions I asked and the information I gathered from the data collection. Then, the next one, I put at the top the title conclusions for the conclusion phase. And then, in paragraph format, just like I did the last couple of lessons. And so, these need to be clearly labeled. So when I go to flip through it, I can if I want to, I can just flip to the conclusion section and know exactly where it's at. That's what I'm talking about, okay? All right, so it's going to be handwritten, and the entire thing is going to be turned from one giant grade at the end of this. So you're going to have 2 days to do this. You have 2 days, 2 class periods. Do not rush and try to get this done in 1 day. Don't try to rush through it and get through it in a day and a half. Take the entire time, do it right, make it neat, make it organized, all right? It's the last giant grade you're going to get before you do finals, all right? Just take your time, help each other out. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This is getting towards later on in my absence, so chances are I should be getting more and more cell phone reception, but if you have any questions immediately, ask each other, help each other out, all right? So, I'll see you next time.